On the western part of Kenya lies Gusii Highlands, which are home to the Bantu group known as the Abagusii. The Abagusii are mostly farmers and traders. They practice small-scale farming due to small portions of land that characterize the highlands. A walk through Kisii County headquarters, locally known as Bosongo, shows a robust economy as there are many businesses everywhere, from small scale to large scale. The main market is Darajambili, which takes place on Monday and Thursday, is a major boost to the highlands economy as well as the surrounding neighbors. When it comes to farming, the Abagusii grow tea as one of the main cash crops in the region. They also practice subsistence farming and grow crops such as maize, millet, beans, traditional vegetables, and bananas. They also keep livestock such as chicken, cows, and goats. One of the scenery that is rampant in the community is that in every home there is a banana plant, and this is why the community is commonly known for its love for bananas. The Abagusii were traditionally hunters and gatherers, and this led to the vast knowledge on traditional foods and vegetables. The Abagusii are also very fond of finger millet. It is one of the most delicious and nutritious traditional food. The process of growing millet is not an easy one, but the end will make the process worth.
Obono bali ekero bware korwa sorwamba nigo tware kobeka seko nutwansa guswaga ekero twaswagire twairura bokoba twabeka somanyonjo no tokorusia somanyonjo twamanya gwansa gusia norogene ekero twasire norogena bwabo bosie twansa korugo bokima.
The Abagusii women will then shell the millet off the dried stalks and grind the millet on two special stones called erogena, which was the lower stone and it was big. Then there was the upper one, which was used to grind the millet, and it was smaller than the lower one. This one was called ensio. After the process of grinding, the flour was collected into a pot called ekegancha, which was a special pot used for the storage of the flour. Vegetables such as the managu, chinsaga, risosa, and nderema are some of the most popular foods amongst the Abagusii. They were previously found in the forest where they grew as weeds, but with the time they became domesticated and are now found in gardens around homes. These vegetables will be cooked in a special pots commonly known as ebitega, which are earthenware pots, and some would add fresh blood from the cows and goats. Others would add piece of pumpkin that was left to cook to mash, then mixed with the vegetables, and then served with millet meal, also known as ugali. The women will serve the smaller portion into a bowl, ekemunu, and this was set aside for the girls, whereas the rest of the ugali was put into eke for the men and the boys. The eke was made out of reeds and hides and could keep the ugali warm for several hours. For the millet ugali, it is considered to have low carbohydrates, hence good for the people with lifestyle diseases such as diabetes and blood pressure.
Yeah.